Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, November 1st, 2021. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast we have chicken biscuit and for lunch chicken fajita. Tomorrow for breakfast we have apple strudel and corn dog. Today's announcements from Miss Lincecum. Teachers, please make sure you post attendance by 9 a.m. each day. Also, please make sure you have your PST documents ready for tomorrow's meeting. Copies. This month our copier costs have increased drastically. Please utilize Print Shop for most of your copying needs. Pre-planning is key. If copier usage remains high this month, we will have to cap the number of copies per month for each teacher. Late duty this week. Today will be Miss Check, tomorrow Miss Weaver, Wednesday Miss Washam, Thursday Miss Wolf, and Friday Miss Arch. The word of the day is partition. A partition is an action to divide shapes into smaller parts. In this picture, we have a shape that has partitions that are into 8 equal parts. They are 8 1/8 equal parts. So a partition would be a part of a whole shape. Important dates. November 2nd is PST. November 3rd is the Sunnyside Theater play for pre-K through 2nd grade. Also, we're going to have PD during extended PE. November 5th, wear jeans for those who have completed the survey. Ms. Lincecum sent that out to teachers and parents and staff, so make sure that you complete that survey and you encourage your parents to complete the survey. November 10th, we have Reading and Math PLT. November 11th, no school for Veterans Day, and November 12th, World Kindness Day. November 18th, we have the HMH representative visiting, and November 22nd through 26th is Thanksgiving break. Some announcements from the library. Ms. Smith will be packing up the book fair, straightening the library, and filling book requests from last week this morning. The library will be open for circulation today for grades 2 through 5 from 9:30 till 11:30 and from 12 to 2. Do not send more than 2 students at a time. They must have a pass and their barcode card. Ms. Smith will be bringing those around this morning also. Make sure that they have their book level on it. They will be sent back if they don't have it. Thanks for helping this be a smooth transition to open circulation. And last but not least, we have our iReady stars of last week. In K1, I have Miss Cunningham's class as the top class, with Paris Anderson as the top reader. In grades 2-3, I have Miss Bertolino's class with our top reader from Miss Battaglia's class, or our top iReady student from Miss Battaglia's class, Owen Wood. And in grades 4 and 5, our top class is Miss Wolf's class, and our top student from Miss Heichman's class is Kennedy Arnold. Now, these 3 teachers, I've been seeing their faces a lot. So, students, why don't you help your teacher out and overthrow one of these who have been on a streak for a couple of weeks, okay? I know you can do it, students. I know you want to get your teacher's picture up there too. So, work hard and let's see if we can get some new, fresh faces on our iReady Star of the Week board. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Shepherd Scholars.